little bit weird at the top?
No. They look like mine, you muppet.
Mine look a little worn now.
Dearest gentle reader, we have been apart for far too long. At last, London's fashionable set has made its return. And it seems that our bon ton...
Oh, it's good to see you.
Is it?
Something wrong?
Seems as though every Bridgerton was born to attract notice. For some of us, notice is very slight. I would not be angry if you found me to be a lost cause.
You must not say such things. You are Penelope Featherington. Do not forget that.
She's not seeking a husband in you, I hope.
No, I'm only...
Lord Debling. He is eager to take a wife this season.
You look especially beautiful tonight, Miss Featherington.
You have done very well, Penelope.
What more could you want?
Mother, do you believe the best foundation for love is friendship?